May gabi. May gabi, ganun yung tanan. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Sister Teresita. Salamat. All the staff of Colegio de Santa Rita. I remember the security guards, the janitors, and this was 50 years ago. And also the Mother Marianne. Thank you. Family and friends, families and friends, and the graduates and the silver jubilarians. And please stand up, my golden jubilarians. 1976, I am so thankful and overwhelmed. We were 47 graduates during that year, 1976. 47. Took us 1 hour and a half for our graduation. Please indulge me just for like 2 minutes. I promise this will not be long. In 1972, my very first day in school, I walked proudly down on these very nice, clean grounds of Colegio de Santa Rita in my blue and white and a tie, black shoes uniform with a 10 to 12 feet entrance closed by security guards. I was met by a senior. I found out she was a senior, and she met me. She pulled down my skirt. It's supposed to be 3 inches below the knee. So we have to be modest at that time. And just 2 examples is we were not saints. We have some kind of history. We were cutting classes at that time, and the honor rolls, like I'm supposed to be one of them, they said, oh, we're all done. You can, maybe we'll just cut classes. So we were cutting classes. We didn't even know that was cutting classes. We climbed out the back of the church. We stayed. We went to eat balut in one of my friend's home, classmate's house. And the next day, we were all called to the guidance counselor. We were asked to recite all the virtues of Mary. And we did. So that was the discipline. We were so young then, we didn't know what it was. So 50 years ago, 47 graduates. Does any one of you know how Santa Rita came to San Carlos City? Anybody? Anybody? Because 50 years later, I did not know. I was on the airplane waiting for my 22 hours flight to the Philippines, and I was wondering how Santa Rita came about. In 1933, in Manila, the 3 sisters, pioneer sisters, they manifested that they want to expand education and their nurturing, their service, and their goal for believe in God. So they expanded here in San Carlos City. I don't know if it was a city yet at that time. So 1936, first high school, because of the increase of the interest of these people in the city, so they have opened the first high school. 1938, 4 years general high school was opened. Am I correct, sister? And 1941 to 1944, sadly, the school was destroyed because of the war. 1945, they opened it then. And here we are, we graduated 50 years ago. I am very thankful to the founders because I've come to be a part of Colegio de Santa Rita. They served, they nurtured, and they guided us onwards to God. I would like to thank my jubilarians who one way or another helped us. They are not here, but they are near or far, and some way, one way or another, supported us to be able to attend this big event. But you see, it's not about us anymore. We cherish the past, we appreciate the past, but it is you now, 2026 graduates. You are the present and you are the future. Believe in yourself. Reach for the stars. Santa Rita of Action is the patroness of the impossible. And because there is God, He is our Almighty, and nothing is impossible. Lastly, may God bless us all. And at the bottom of my heart, I thank you all. I thank you for having us. And my jubilarians, I am so proud of you. I love you guys. I love the parents. I'm very, very appreciative. Your children are I'm so proud. You're so beautiful. Congratulations and God bless everybody. Yay!
Thank you, Ma'am Julia, for your inspiring presence and for sharing your journey with us. May we invite you, Ma'am Melanie and Ma'am Julia, to remain at the center stage to receive a token of appreciation. And may we request Sister Maria Marcela A. de la Cruz, AR, and Sister Teresita Aldayara, AR,